Have you ever opened your bank app and felt confused? You just got paid, but somehow most of the money is already gone. Groceries, coffee, a small online purchase, nothing felt expensive. Yet at the end of the month, you're left wondering where your money went. If this sounds familiar, you're not bad with money. You're just missing a system. And today, I'll help you build one from scratch. If this kind of content helps you, like this video and subscribe for more simple finance guides. Most people think a budget means restriction, no fun, no freedom. But a budget is not a limitation, it's permission to spend. When you plan your money ahead of time, you stop feeling guilty about spending later. You tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Step 1 is calculating your net income. This is the money that actually lands in your account, not your salary before taxes, not what you expect to earn, your real take-home pay. Add your paycheck, add any side income, add freelance or extra work. This is your starting number. Step 2 is listing your fixed expenses. These are the bills that stay mostly the same: rent, utilities, insurance, phone bills, minimum debt payments. These expenses come first. They keep your life stable. Step 3 is listing your variable expenses. This is where money usually disappears: food, coffee, eating out, shopping, subscriptions, entertainment. Look at what you actually spent last month, not what you planned to spend. Being honest here makes budgeting work. Now, let's talk strategy. One simple one is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt. This is not a strict rule. It's a starting point. If your numbers don't match perfectly, that's okay. Adjust slowly. Progress matters more than perfection. One common mistake beginners make is being too strict, cutting everything fun, trying to be perfect. That usually leads to burnout and then quitting. A good budget supports your life. It doesn't punish it. Leave room to enjoy your money. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance content. And comment below, what is the one expense you struggle to track the most? I read every comment.